For those of you who are still having trouble with APA and knowing how to cite APA, you can go to an automatic APA citation generator like Scribbr. And so here I am at Scribbr at www.scribbr.com, and here I can go to, you can have an APA citation generator, MLA citation generator, in-text citation generator, or a citation editing generator. So it also has Chicago style. So for you guys, it's APA that you're interested in. So first of all, you have to click on the APA. Then you have to decide, is it what you're looking for? Are you doing a website reference, a journal article reference, a book reference, a report reference, an image reference, or other? You could also click over it and you can see it says cite a report, cite a book, cite a journal, cite a website, and then you have other. And so here you have many other choices of what you're going to cite. And so for each of these, you have your own way of doing it. Now, the most common reference citation I get is a website. So I'm going to click on website, and then you're going to put in the URL, then you put in the title of the website, and then you put in the initials and the last name of the author. So let's say I actually go to a website and I say I go to cdc.org. So let's say that's my website. And I go to Centers for Disease Control, and I'm going to choose one of these articles. So let's say I do Fresh Express salad, packaged salads. So let's say that's my article. And so here you have Listeria outbreak linked to packaged salads produced by Fresh Express. And so here you have all of the information about your article. So how would I cite an article like this? So I would go back to cite a web page, and then you would cite the www.cdc.org, and then you type in the name of the article. So you put in here the name of your article, and then you put in the URL, once again, the URL of the article, not just of cdc.org. So I'm going to put in this, and then I'm going to put in the article name. And now for this article, I don't see anybody's, there's nobody's author name, and there doesn't seem to be a name of an author. So here it says Center, Content Source, Center for Disease Control. So if there's no author, then you could just write in the website name. And so here I am going to try to go back to cite a website. All right, and then I'm just going to say there is no author name, so it's an organization, and you're just going to write in CDC, Center for Disease Control. In other words, you put in the website name, and then you go back and you look up, so when was it published? And so here in this article, it says that it was published March 8th, 2022. So we go to here, we write in 8th, we put in March, and we put in 2022. All right, and we put in 03. And then today's date, in other words, what's the date in which I'm accessing this? And so it is 28th. And here is the date. And then here 2022. So this means that this article is only 15 days old. Okay, that's the purpose of the publication date and the and when you access. So it actually is 20 days old. And then the name of the website is Center for Disease Control. After you fill all of this out, then you press on Cite Source. And this, ladies and gentlemen, becomes your reference citation, okay? And so if you have trouble citing your source, all you have to do is use Scribbr APA automatic APA generator. So if you have any other questions or want me to do another example, feel free to email me.